There's a rumor going around that Bank of America may be very close to launching a brand new credit card, and that card may have an annual fee of around $550. And whenever a rumor of that magnitude circulates around the web, of course we've got to cover it on this channel. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. When it comes to premium, luxury, top-tier travel rewards credit cards with annual fees of $300, $400, $500, $600 or more, there aren't that many out there. Some of the major players might be the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the US Bank Altitude Reserve, the Citi Prestige card, which has now been discontinued to new applicants, but that used to exist. But overall, there aren't that many crazy high-fee cards out there offering tons of top-tier perks. And the newest potential entrant into the top-tier travel credit card space may be Bank of America. So what we're going to do right now is dive over to the source of all this information, at least the source for me, which is Doctor of Credit. They had a couple blog posts about this, and then they found their source through posts on Reddit. Now again, all these are just rumors, but the more time goes on and the more information that gets revealed, it seems to be quite likely that Bank of America will release some sort of premium card quite soon. Okay, so here was the first blog post from Doctor of Credit. This one was dated on October 12th of 2021, and it was titled Rumor, Bank of America to launch new credit card, Platinum Rewards Elite. So here's what the body text says. According to Reddit user Hurry Professional 735, Bank of America plans to launch a new credit card called Platinum Rewards Elite in November. The card itself will be lifestyle focused and unclear if it will be available to all customers or only high-tiered members. And by higher tier members, we're talking more about the Preferred Rewards program, which is an additional benefit on top of credit cards and other products. And I'll show you that in just a few moments here. Then as we scroll on down here to the comments section, one person named a guy from that Reddit post said this right here, which I found pretty interesting. From an internal source with Merrill, they'll most likely be rolling out the Platinum Rewards Elite card to high net worth Merrill clients first, which is the investment side or arm of Bank of America, and then to standard consumer clients later. I was informed that this card is not reserved for a specific net worth or preferred rewards tier and will be available to everyone at a point in time. Then here's the follow-up blog post. This one was published about 3 days later on October 15th, and this one is titled Bank of America Elite Visa Infinite Card coming in November. $550 annual fee, $300 airline incidental credit, that is, and a $150 lifestyle credits and more will be coming apparently to this card. Then we have here, more details emerge on the rumored upcoming Bank of America premium credit card from Reddit user All Hail Matt. It'll be called the Elite Visa Infinite card, so slightly different than we saw earlier, which was, what was that one? The Platinum Rewards Elite, but nonetheless, they still have the word Elite in them. So now we've got this Elite Visa Infinite card available on November 22nd. So now we have more of a specific time frame for all this, which is actually kind of cool. That basically turns this rumor into a more solidified rumor, and it seems like this will be more likely to happen than not. Then we can scroll on down here to some of the juicy details, and it says here that the sign-up bonus is currently unknown. Hopefully it will be large enough to give us some great value in the first year, because right below that, we've got this huge $550 annual fee that needs to be covered, hopefully many times over, because we love that outsized value in that first year to have this card make a ton of sense. But then in year 2 and beyond, of course, we want to still be able to justify the card in other ways. So bullet point 3 here says it will come with up to $150 annually in statement credits for lifestyle conveniences, including streaming services, food delivery, fitness subscriptions, and rideshare services. As long as they keep these eligible categories broad and able to work with a ton of different merchants and purchases, then this will be quite useful to a lot of people to really help them recoup some of the annual fee. Next up, we have up to $300 for airline incidental statement credits. This is for qualifying purchases like seat upgrades, baggage fees, in-flight services, and airline lounge fees. Moving on down, we now have 20% savings on domestic and international airfare for any class when paying with points through the Bank of America Travel Center or Concierge. Now that has the potential at least to be very valuable to a lot of people. So again, it's any class, so whether it's the basic economy, standard economy, premium economy, business class, first class, or any other variations that might exist out there, hey, 20% off as long as the prices through that Bank of America portal or travel center as they call it are competitive and are not, elevated compared to what you could get publicly, then that could be a great way to save a lot on your airfares, especially if you travel multiple times per year. Next benefit, we have up to $100 in statement credits for global entry or TSA PreCheck application fees every 4 years. Now this credit does not help you justify the card every year because again, the enrollment in global entry or TSA PreCheck lasts for 5 years. You get this credit every 4 because you can renew early, that way you don't actually have the program expire. And it's $100 for global entry, so the full amount will be reimbursed, or TSA PreCheck, which is $85 for your first time when you sign up, or if you're renewing PreCheck, I believe that now went down to $70 for those second year and beyond renewals. Okay, let's keep on scrolling down here a bit further. There are quite a few things here. The card earning rates, let me highlight all of this. You'll get 2 points for every dollar on travel and dining purchases, and 1.5 points per dollar on all other purchases. Then, just like with all of Bank of America's other credit cards, this one will be eligible for the Preferred Rewards program. So if you're enrolled in the Preferred Rewards, then you'll be able to get an additional 25 to 75% more points on every purchase. This means clients or cardholders could earn up to 3.5 points per dollar on travel and dining, and then 2.62 points per dollar on all other purchases at the top tier for every $1 that they spend. So what this part here is referring to as I switch over to this tab, this is the Bank of America Preferred Rewards program, which basically gives you additional relationship and membership benefits. So I'll scroll down, here's a little chart. There are 3 tiers of this, Gold, Platinum, and Platinum Honors, and it gives you a ton of perks. There are different savings rates, they waive fees for you, auto loan, home equity, mortgage benefits, tons of stuff. But the one that we're most focused on in this video is the credit card benefit as part of the Preferred Rewards program, where you get 25% more rewards on your purchases. So as this little part drops down, it says here, for example, for credit cards that earn points or cash rewards, your rewards bonus will be awarded on every purchase. That means a purchase that normally earns 100 base points will actually earn 125 or 150 or 175, and a purchase that earns $1 of cash rewards will actually earn $1.25, $1.50, or $1.75 based on your tier when the purchase posts to your account. Basically, the credit card perk here as part of the Preferred Rewards program helps you earn points or cash back a lot faster in a much greater amount. So this program does require enrollment, and to get there, there are some qualifying criteria. At the gold level, for example, you have to have $20,000 with Bank of America, and it says up here what that can consist of. So your tier is based on your qualifying combined balances in your Bank of America deposit, so checking, savings, etc., and or Merrill investment accounts. So basically, collectively, if you add up your cash and your investments with Bank of America / Merrill, you must have at least $20,000 in order to qualify for the gold level. Then as we take this little slider and move it across here, once you hit $50,000 and above, you'll then be eligible for a 50% rewards bonus on your credit cards. And as you continue to grow your relationship and assets with Bank of America, and then right here, boom, I had $100,000 and above, all the way through what, 250 here, you get your 75% rewards bonus. So basically what's happening here is Bank of America is giving more rewards to people who do more business with them and keep a lot more investments and cash, etc. on hand within the B of A ecosystem. You can essentially think of this like a relationship bonus. Now going back over to the tab here, it also says right here, clients can redeem points for travel, cash back, a statement credit, distinctive experiences, or gift cards. So pretty flexible for the rewards there. And my best guess with this is that points will be worth 1 cent each no matter how you use them. So whether you redeem for travel or you redeem for gift cards or whatever, you probably won't get, massive outsized value with any one over the other. Again, that's just my assumption at this point. We then have free unlimited access to airport lounges worldwide with complimentary Priority Pass Select membership. We'll of course have to wait and see what the access privileges or level will have to be. For example, do you get guests or not? How many guests? Is it just 2 like a lot of cards, or is it unlimited? And for example, if you add an authorized user, do they get their own Priority Pass Select membership, etc. So there's still a lot of questions about this right now. We'll have to wait and see when the card actually launches. Then for those of you who are interested in flying private, there's a partnership here with the NetJets program where you can purchase or redeem points for your flight time, get complimentary upgrades, and additional perks. Below that, we have complimentary 24/7 full-service concierge to book travel, dinner reservations, event tickets, and more. And last at the very bottom, we have no foreign transaction fees, and combining that with the fact that this is a Visa credit card right here, that's going to be awesome in terms of being able to carry this card with you outside of the US for your international trips and avoid the typically 2 to 3% fee that you would normally have to pay on other cards that don't waive those fees. And then moving further down here on the post, I always like to read the Our Verdict section of Dr. Credit blog post to see what the thoughts of the authors are. And this is what they said for this card. Seems like a souped up version of the premium rewards card. $200 more in airline incidental credits, $150 extra lifestyle credit, and a few other benefits. I like how they make the $150 lifestyle credits a bucket with a few options to make it useful for everyone. Still, I don't see it being worth the extra $455 for the higher annual fee for most people. Maybe it'll make sense for the sign-up bonus, which we don't know about yet, and it possibly could make sense for some people with the 20% travel redemption discount. On the whole, I'd say that the final verdict of the card per Dr. Credit is pretty spot on. There are some great highlights of this card and also some ways that the card does fall short a bit. For me personally, I am very disappointed with the point multipliers. We no longer live in the age where double points or 1.5x points is very exciting or compelling in any way. But of course, for those who are on the preferred rewards side, with that program layered on top of this card or any of the other Bank of America cards, there is a very compelling situation to get this card. Then if Bank of America makes the 2 major credits, namely the $150 lifestyle credit for things like streaming or food delivery, and the $300 air incidental credit for things like bag fees or upgrades for your seat, in-flight purchases, etc. If those are easy to use and there's no hoops to jump through or terms or expiration dates or stuff you gotta remember all the time, then that could also help this card become much more of a winner than a loser. Plus that 20% discount on airfare, whether it's domestic or international, when you go through the BOA portal, that could also be a very, very great perk. Once more, if implemented correctly in a very simple way that gives great value to the consumer. And having said all that, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit or entertain others, please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below for some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value, of course some entertainment as well, because when we cover these juicy rumor videos, it's always fun to see what banks are up to in terms of their next latest credit card product. I'll see you all again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.